What is solar power? Solar power works by absorbing sunlight with photovoltaic cells, generating electricity. This then flows through the home's electrical panel and is distributed accordingly. Solar power mechanism. 1. Solar panels absorb the sun's energy and convert it to DC electricity. 2. The solar inverter converts DC electricity from your solar modules to AC electricity, which is used by most home appliances. 3. Electricity flows through your home, powering electronic devices. 4. Excess electricity produced by solar panels is fed to the electric grid. Advantages. Reduces electricity bills. Diverse applications. Low maintenance costs. High technology development. Disadvantages. High cost to set up. Weather dependent. Solar energy storage is expensive. Uses a lot of space.